We have some news just coming in. Maharashtra Chief Minister's big warning on vulgar jokes. Devendra Fadnavis says legal action against obscenity. We'll discuss with this with the centre on some new rules for the same, says the Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. He's talking about policing rules as far as social media and content online is concerned. We'll be discussing the same with the centre, says Devendra Fadnavis. It's a big statement that has been made by Devendra Fadnavis, who in the past also has not minced his words when it comes to his opinion on the controversy surrounding bare biceps, Ranveer Allahabadia, and the kind of jokes that he had made on a platform, on YouTube essentially, which is India's Got Latent. Fadnavis says there will be legal action against obscenity. Any obscene content will not be tolerated, says the Maharashtra Chief Minister. We'll be discussing with the centre on policing rules. Listen in to what he said.
तुम्ही दुसऱ्याच्या अभिव्यक्ती स्वातंत्र्यावर आपल्या स्वातंत्र्याच्या माध्यमातून घाला घालू शकत नाही. त्यामुळे ज्या ठिकाणी अश्लीलता ही परिसीमेच्या बाहेर जाते त्या ठिकाणी कारवाई करणं हे गरजेचं असतं. मात्र या संदर्भात काही नियमावली तयार करता येईल का, जरूर केंद्र सरकारची आमची चर्चा चाललेली आहे.
All right, in related news, the Supreme Court has grabbed YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadia. There is no end to storm over Allahabadia's vulgar remark. In scathing remarks, the top court has pulled up Allahabadia for using cross remarks on India's Got Latent show. The apex court came down heavily and said that the language used by Allahabadia shows total pervert-type mindset and that his parents too would be ashamed of him. Supreme Court characterized YouTubers' comments on India's Got Latent as offensive, as disgusting and filthy. In another massive setback, the court has put a pause on shows featuring Allahabadia, asserting that he has to stop with show business until further notice. After wrapping Allahabadia, the court did rather offer him some respite. FIRs against him in Mumbai and Guwahati have been stayed. He's been asked to submit his passport at the Thane police station.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने इनको भी अच्छी तरह से फटकारा है और कहा है कि इनके जितने भी शो हो गए वो आगे से बंद किए जाए. जो भी गंदे कंटेंट लेके शो किए, जो छोटे से रील्स के जरिए जितने भी शूट किए वो हटा दिए जाए. और पूरी की पूरी गंदगी इनके दिमाग में है, इसीलिए ऐसी गंदी बातें माता पिता के बारे में ये लोग कर रहे हैं. तो पुलिस जो भी जानकारी इनके तरफ से चाहिए वो जानकारी पुलिस को दी जाए और पूरा सहयोग ये लोग पुलिस को करे.
Honorable Supreme Court has extraordinarily taken a very strong statement and ripped into Ranveer Allahabadia by even using words like dirty. So definitely this is very important. This is a very important step. I am sure this will serve as a caution to all the YouTubers who wants to use such filth to spread their message. But Supreme Court also granted him relief. This is the balanced approach that every court should take. I think entire India, not only the complainant like me, entire India will be happy that Supreme Court safeguarded the values of family and has that cultural sensitivity that we were all expecting.
One thing we need to keep in mind, maybe somewhere along the line, the state agencies have not been serious. They have said, okay, let it go. Let's not make such a big issue about these kind of things. This is now crossing boundaries, crossing limits, and it is entering into areas and spheres that is not just vulgar, but it is also corrupting young minds. How much can the state keep quiet about? Somewhere an example has to be set. A precedent has to be set so that people will also follow a certain decorum, even though they would like to call it dark comedy. We have to understand what is possible, what is our limit, because you are an influencer and having a huge fan following, which is a young youth following. And that is very important, and I'm sure that is what the Supreme Court has kept in mind and put these conditions forward.
What they did was far even better than what they said. What they did was actually protect a mob lynching. Now, you cannot put somebody on a phansi ka takht for something like what he did. You can castigate him. You can take away his passport. You can turn around and penalize him. You can fine him. You can even put him in jail for a while. But you can't lynch him. And therefore, the Supreme Court, in its wisdom, has actually put it exactly the way it should be. That this is not acceptable in terms of behavior. in terms of social behavior, in terms of public behavior. What you think is your own thoughts. You keep them to yourself. You don't put it on a public platform.
I'm going straight across to Nalini for more details on that story. Nalini, the big takeaway here, the Supreme Court underscoring the fact that there is no regulation, and that's the reason why people like Ranveer Allahabadi, also known as Beer Biceps, are taking full advantage of it.
Well, absolutely, Sneha, and this might be the larger fallout of this entire controversy that has broken out over the India's Got Latent show, because what the Supreme Court has said is that they are going to do something about this vacuum. And the vacuum that they're talking about is the fact that there are no laws that are actually regulating online content on social media or content on YouTube. And what the Supreme Court's also gone ahead and said is that all of these content creators, or YouTubers as they're popularly called, are actually misusing this vacuum, and that there needs to be stricter regulation. So if the government can do that on their own, then the Supreme Court will be very happy. If not, then the Supreme Court will be bound to step in to fill this vacuum. In fact, on the next hearing, they have also specifically asked the Attorney General R. Venkatramani as well as the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta to both be present before the Supreme Court so that they can discuss exactly how to move forward when it comes to regulation of online content. Along with that, Supreme Court, of course, as we've been reporting since the morning, has also made some very stern remarks against Ranveer Allahabadi's comments. And even though there is relief coming in for him in the terms of the fact that he's been granted protection from arrest and no future FIRs can be filed, but at the same time, there's a strong rebuke by the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has minced no words and has said clearly that if this is not obscenity, then what is?
All right, leaving it at that for the moment. Nalini Sharma getting us up to speed with those details. The court coming down heavily against Ranveer Allahabadi today, however, has given him relief as far as the FIR is concerned. It's a stay on the FIR against Allahabadi.